Let's see how we can create images by mixing others with UNO FLUX. To do this, we'll need different image references to put here and a prompt. This is just to get started. If you're short on ideas for the prompt, I recommend using ChatGPT. In my case, I have this prompt here that I've generated. Now let's move on to the images. Basically, I've specified that I want a child playing ball on a Paris avenue. So we're going to use 3 images that relate to this concept. First, I'll add the child I want, then I'll add the ball, and finally the city. Now let's configure this a bit. We won't touch these first 2 main sections unless we want to change the aspect ratio. This is basically to adjust the image size. We can make it wider or taller, okay? It depends on the aspect ratio we want. If we want it normal, we can go to advanced options, which sets how many steps it'll take to generate the image. More steps use more resources but produce better results, though it takes longer. We'll change the guidance, which affects the level of creativity we want. We'll leave the seed at -1, as setting a seed tells it where to start from. We want it to create a random image each time we run it. If you set a specific seed, it'll always generate the same image no matter how many times you hit generate. So let's leave it random, hit generate, and it'll start creating the image. As you can see, it was that simple. It generated this image by referencing others. Notice the avenue's the same, just from a lower angle. The boy looks spot on, well created, though hands need work with the basketball. All this from just 3 images and a prompt. It's really that straightforward. Below are examples if you want to see how it works. It gives us a pre-created example with the seed set. You can hit generate to try it out and see how it works without much fuss. And look at that, it's incredible what this AI can do. It created this girl with that specific dress and bag in a flower field. It's absolutely amazing. So if you want to blend images or create specific poses, this is the AI to use. Let's see how we can easily get Flux and create images like this one by blending other images. To do this, we'll go to Hugging Face, which is an open source code guide platform if you're not familiar. If you want to know more about how it works, we have a video on our channel explaining it. In the app, we'll go to the Spaces section and use the search bar to look for Flux. Once we find it, we'll click to enter. Inside, we'll go to the Files section where you'll find everything you need to get started. As you can see, these are the files you need. This way you can use Flux for free and easily without much hassle.